So I had a client who asked me to create a brochure for him, which would be a digital marketing brochure basically. Now, I am an AI native guy. I know which tools to use and how to use premium tools for free for sure. I knew that this tool creates a world class brochure, just like the quality which Canva gives you. And if you look at it, Canva does provide you good quality, but it also asks you a lot of time to get engaged in this. Now, what I did, I asked this website, you just follow me and subscribe me, and I'll link down the comment link and I'll provide the link to this website in the comments. I asked this website's AI tool to generate me a brochure as per the text given to me on ChatGPT, and it gave me this brochure. Trust me, I didn't do any work in this. It is all done by AI. Now it asked me to provide to pay for the premium tool, and I didn't do it. I just asked Claude to replicate it. I just gave it a prompt to give me exact what's inside it, and it gave me a Word document for the same. And let me show you the results. They're astonishing. Now, for the first slide deck, it gave me this, and for the second slide deck, it gave me this, and I just combine these both Word documents, and my beautiful brochure is now ready with just some tweaks and a twist here and there. Follow and subscribe for more tools and tricks. You're gonna love my channel.